Bitcoin went a little bit lower than anticipated yesterday, but the question is, will we move here further to the downside? And what did we see already? The new all-time high for the next couple of weeks, or will we continue to move here higher? That is something that I want to talk about. Hi, my name is Alex from AMCrypto, and let's get here straight into the chart. So I'm here on the 1 hourly chart, and Bitcoin has formed here this downwards broadening falling wedge. So, and yesterday we fell actually under here the $63,775 level, which I thought will give us a little bit more support based on that we got from there our impulse move to the upside to the new all-time high, and also because we were testing here over and over again, and it was holding so nice as support before we continued to move here to the upside. So, but unfortunately that level got directly broken like a hot knife through butter. So, but in my opinion, that is not the end of the world yet. We found support a little bit lower. So when we are looking here, so here at the $62,000 level, that was where we found yesterday's support. So that is based on, so now let me extend this here a little bit. This whole section here. So because here it flipped into support, here we broke it, flipped into resistance, resistance, resistance. So here we broke it, support, here only support. So now we got here again multiple times already supported and start to create again higher lows. So which is obviously a good sign. So and now it looks like that we go and we'll test the upper downwards trending resistance of this broadening falling wedge here. So and if we would break it to the upside, then the technical target would be all the way up to the top of it. So, and that would be again the all-time high at $67,000 approximately. So, but how would I trade this if I would be now on the sideline, guys? So I would wait that we get this break here. So, and it really isn't a huge difference between 63,500 and 63,750. It's $200 difference. I would wait that we break 63,775. As I had mentioned yesterday, guys, that I would add that to my position, and I show you in a second that I actually did. And now on the way back up, that would be then my entry level, and then you can trade this actually all the way up to the all-time high, or even higher to the other technical targets from the other technical patterns that I had shown you in the last couple of days that I will also soon get into. So, but now, just for entertainment's sake, here on the 4 hourly chart, how low could we technically go before we would see here another major bounce? So, and the answer is all the way up, all the way down here, $69,000, $60,000. There is major support. You can see here, major support, major support. They did not even get close to it. Here, it flipped to support for the first time. So that would be the last line in the sand to defend. And I believe that if we would get lower, that from there we will see a massive move back to the upside. But for now, it doesn't look like that we have to go that low, in my opinion. You can also see that on the EMA ribbon. So we are here nicely getting supported from the middle range of the EMA ribbon that I was also talking about, that I believe that this will gonna hold. I think it was 2-3 days ago. You can go back to the video and watch it again. That I believe that this will hold, but in the worst case, we will only get to the bottom of it, which is at around at $61,200. So I believe that based here also on stochastic RSI, that we will see here pretty soon a move out of that broadening falling wedge to the upside, and will continue to move in direction of a new all-time high. So now, also when we're looking at the cup and handle pattern, so we are still trading above this major former resistance level, which was giving us support here on this pattern at $61,600. You see we got here also a nice bounce with today's candle. So we obviously have to wait if this gets now completely confirmed with the candle close today, but for now we are looking good. So then when we're looking here at our bump and run pattern, here also, if I had to draw a support line where this pattern gets invalidated, then this would be, let's say, approximately here. So $57,200. So we would need to go that low to invalidate the bump and run pattern. So my opinion, this is also not going to happen, because we have here again at 61,000 here that major support coming in. So and we should also see here a break of 64,899, the prior all-time high here, and then continue to move in the direction of our technical target of $70,700. And don't forget, guys, the cup and handle pattern is actually pointing to $74,000, $75,000. And I know that there are a lot of analysts out there. They're actually also calling for $75,000. And they worked it out in a different way than with a cup and handle. I had, unfortunately, not the time to go and check how they worked it out. But I have seen from other analysts different numbers, and they were all also pointing to $75,000. So, and normally if a lot of analysts have confidence about a target, then most of the time we're actually then also going in that direction. So now let me show you really quick here my trades. So remember, if you want to take a trade, wait for a break of $63,775 and trade from there to the upside in Bitcoin. So here you can see my Bybit trade is still 67% in profit, $35,000. So if you want to trade on Bybit, there is still the pin in the pin coin below, the deposit bonus. This bonus is limited, so that bonus will end pretty soon. You get there $3,500 in bonuses. It's the highest bonus that Bybit has ever given to anyone. So, and when we are looking here at my comments, so then you can also see that a lot of you guys are super profitable with my trades. So let me just find it here in a second. So where was it? Here you see Mr. Crypto up 84% on my Ethereum trade, 250 on my Bitcoin trade, caught Solana for a 90% yesterday on the retest. Thank you so much. Charts make so much more sense every time I watch one of your videos. Then here, there was also another one. So here somebody else said he took the Bitcoin trade, the Ethereum trade, and the Solana trade. He is an insane profit so far. So guys, you see my trades that I give you here absolutely for free. If you take them, you actually make money. And that is exactly what I want. So you can also, if you don't like Bybit, you can go to Phemex. So here on Phemex, my trade is a little bit underwater right now, 30% underwater, minus $6,000. But you see, I also show if I'm losing on a trade, you know, so, but I would not keep this trade open if I would believe that this would not turn around. So, and if you want to trade on Phemex, there's also still a $1,200 bonus available, also only with the links in my pinned comment under this video below. So now let's jump here quick into the Bitcoin dominance. So here the Bitcoin dominance, if you remember, I had told you that when we will hit this specific resistance level here of this upwards trending resistance line here in the dominance, that we will see most likely a rejection and go all the way down to the upward sloping support of this rising channel. So, and this is exactly what is happening right now. So dominance is sitting here at 45.76, and in my humble opinion, I think we're gonna break this and go first all the way down to 44.4%. Then we see potentially some sideways action. That is normally what always happens. And then we see a further leg to the downside. And that, once we break here 44.4, that will be the signal for a new altcoin season, guys. So that is when you want to be in altcoins against Bitcoin to earn more Bitcoin. It will be insane. It will be something that you have never seen before in crypto history. The gains that can be made in this altcoin season. So now let's have a quick look also on Ethereum. So here you can also see Ethereum had its move here over this resistance zone here in red. So I actually have now to flip it into green because we have tested it and confirmed as support, which is really, really nice. So we also went all the way up to the all-time high. It looks like that we broke it, by a couple of cents. So, but we got immediately rejected. So it is not completely broken, the prior all-time high. So, but with this downwards move, we confirm now this block here as support, because we got a nice bounce from it here to the upside. So we should see here pretty soon another leg to the upside in Ethereum to break the all-time high and create a new one. And remember, the technical target of the inverse head and shoulders pattern that we have all the way here is pointing to $4,525. So that should normally be happening in the next coming days. So we are not far away from it. Just be a little bit more patient. So, and I hope that a lot of you guys were able to also catch this trade, where I said once we're breaking here above that that last resistance level here of that former resistance box now that flipped into support, that there you can enter a trade and trade this all the way up to $4,500. So congratulations to everyone that was able to take the trade there. Now to Solana. Solana did exactly what I predicted. I also posted it on Twitter when it was happening. So look here, guys. The moment that I saw this, I posted it, that we hit our target here of $201, exactly as I predicted it for Solana. So now the question is obviously, what is the next target for Solana? Because we are now above the 1.618, the 1.65, the golden ratio. So the next logical target for Solana is obviously way, way higher. So, and the next one would be the 2.618 at $307. And you see how quick Solana can move here to the upside. So it could be a crazy volatile move here that we see with another jump here really, really quick into this direction. So congratulations to everyone that is still in that trade. So, but if you are also looking now for a Solana trade on Phemex, for example, because there you can trade it with leverage, then you can enter technically here already and then continue to trade this to the upside. But I warn you guys, trade this with low leverage. Solana can be highly volatile. I would not use more than 5 to 10x on this specific trade here. So now I want to show you also quick a new coin. So the coin is not new, but I show this one for the first time, and that is BNB. So why I want to show you BNB? Because BNB has a huge ecosystem with a lot of other coins out there. So, and if BNB is moving to the upside, the same with Ethereum, a lot of coins that are on the BNB chain will outperform BNB and make crazy stunning moves and gains. So here you see BNB is on the weekly chart here trading in this big ascending triangle. So, and if that breaks to the upside, so you can obviously also trade BNB, then we are talking here about a move to $971 approximately. So here, this trade, again, you wait for the break at $585 approximately to enter this and then trade it to the upside. So there is right now here, based on the weekly chart within the ascending triangle, another pattern that you obviously could trade if you want to. So, and that is here, this W pattern. So what you see, it doesn't make a huge difference anymore. We're talking about $30. So that would be a 5% difference, 10x leverage, okay, 25% difference. So you could also trade the break of this W pattern here once the price is coming up here. And then the technical target of this. So now let's see here. And let's take this. So it's slightly lower. It's at 817. So in that kind of range, so here in that range, I would start to take profit. Or once we pass 817 on BNB, that would be the moment when we're like around 850, 900, where I set my stop loss to 817 to secure my profits here. So you see there's a lot of bullishness right now in the market. So you definitely should not sleep on the opportunities that are handed here to us. Guys, that is already the end of the video. I know this was a long one today. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. Yesterday, you were crushing it. I cannot thank you enough for the video yesterday. It was amazing to see the support that I got from you guys. So if you liked and enjoyed this video, please smash up the like button, destroy the subscribe button, hit all notifications, and I will see you tomorrow. Ah, sorry guys, I actually forgot something. Sorry for that. I'm looking for voiceover translators, guys, for a lot of countries out there. I look for Turkey, China, Korea, Russia, Spanish, so Spain, every Spanish Latin American country, Polish and French, Hindi, Japan, so don't forget Korea. So, and in China, I look for Mandarin and Fushu accent. Guys, if you speak one of these languages fluent and you're also speaking perfectly English, then let me know at jobs@amcrypto.us. I will put my email address also in the pinned comment below. Send me an email if you speak one of these languages and you want to work for me and do voiceover on my videos, because I will create for each language now a channel. Let me know if you can do this, or if you know somebody that can do this. Bring me in touch with these people and let's work together, guys. See you.